Alright, welcome to Ryobi review. Well, here's a spot here where you don't have too much space to work. And I have to cut this pipe off because I don't know who the hell did this, but they installed a P-trap without the clean out tray at the bottom. And this thing is plug solid. So anyway, the only way to clean it up is pretty much to remove the thing. So anyway, so I thought I would show you the multi-tool from Ryobi. Now this one is a little bit old, so the part number might not be good anymore for you guys, but you need to get one of those. It's so useful. So this one is the P570. So a multi-tool, when you press on it, it just shake the blade side to side like super fast, and not that much, so you can pretty much cut anything. So this tool in particular, this one, you can change the head by pressing the two tabs, one in the back and the one at front here. And then the head pop right out of it, and then you can change the position, which is great because then it makes the battery go in different angle compared to the tool here. So you can get into tight space with this. So just the gear at the bottom that turns the blade back and forth. And here is the top there. So that's the gear at the top. This tool is great because you can put the drill, you can put the saw adapter, the multi-tool, the rotary tool, ratchet head, lots of head were able to go into this one, and it was compatible with all the rigid tool head. Now, like I said, that's an older model, so I don't know if you can still get heads for it, but anyway, that's a really handy tool to have. So now I can get right above this pipe here and go on a good angle and cut it up. So now I was able to cut all the way around, so I just had to clean up the bottom a little bit and then sand it and put my new piece back on. There we go, I was able to take the P-trap out of there, and ta-da! It's all done. Perfect. Tested, everything's good. This tool is also useful if you have a door like this that don't open quite good and you need to cut it flush or a little bit above the floor here. You can go around and cut it, or you can put a piece of wood underneath, make it sit on top, and then cut it to a different height, which is also great too if you do molding around the door, to be able to, you know, before you install your flooring and then you need to trim it to install your flooring underneath, then you can just put a piece of flooring upside down and then just go above and cut it. So this tool here is very old, it never quit on me, it's been super good. I fixed lots of doors that were not adjusted properly with it, did the basement in 2 of my houses, did tons of drywall with it. So it's great to cut out the plug hole after you measure it, because then you can make everything nice and tight and perfect cut every time.